You are? Because, Rebecca, what's your name? Daniel? Exactly. Ouch! Get up! Good job. Yeah, so we won't do this one. Yeah, so today we're just doing stuff on this account. The password is law123 and the username's luckystars221. Yeah, and you want to have it. Right, it is an account giveaway for a reason. For a reason. What's in a reason? Yes. No. I've already made a few changes to the account. I'm gonna we need to earn money. Look at that, I don't have an account. Oh, do you want one? Like you made like 2, I think it was. Oh yeah, no, I just got them all. I know, because you're such an idiot. Alright then, should we make you one? Yeah. Look at my Twitter. Yeah. My Twitter's awesome, isn't it? What the Twitter? This is Twitter. Look, there's you. There's Luke. And there's me. Can everybody who's watching this see that? Yeah. Okay, so that made that my beautiful face. Don't look. Oh no! Can you still look? Thank you. Hello, baby. Look on video. Ow! Anyway, so yeah, what we're gonna do is smack me in the face. I'm gonna go shopping and buy a new outfit. She just smacked me in the face. Cause I'm swag. Hey, she just smacked me in the face. That's my t-shirt. I will let you find me, you know. For my Lion King clip. Can you like get off my shoulder? You would think you're my boyfriend. How can I not be serious? We're recording. We've already wasted 2 minutes. Oh my. Everybody, there will be 15 minutes, right? Yeah. Because that's all we can do. It says 15 minutes there. Right. I know. They can't see that bit though. They can only see this bit. They can't see this bit. So if you extend that all the way to right, there, should we make an outfit? I want an account. Why? We'll do. I have to go in it. Oh, Dan, wait there. We'll record this video, and then once this one's uploaded, we'll do another one, and this will come on right. Yeah, but I have to go and no, you don't. Okay, I'm not doing it. Right, you can help me pick an outfit though. Have to be the one without the gold bars. No. Let me just check my phone. No, I don't want any of them. Too ugly. And a chicken. Oh, please. No. Oh, fine. Yeah, guys, so I'm just going to pick an outfit, log out, and go on to his account and shoot him up. Luke! Right, shut up now. Right. So we have to pick a nice outfit. Are you stop recording? No. Okay. We only wasted 3 minutes and not even his. Oh, Dan, should we make a nice outfit? What? Are you saying? Wait, yeah? Because when you show me a naked girl with gold hair. Right, pick something nice to wear. Should we have this with a little chicken hair? No, the bunny. Oh, the bunny's diamond. We need to make a nice outfit, but we've only got that many star coins, and we want to get 700 because we still want 175 left. Do you like this t-shirt? Oh no, wait, we can change the colours. Do you like the t-shirt? Which pick a colour? Let's go with green. And then pick this. That look ugly. Should we go with black? Yeah. He tried to put it on. He said, "Can we go back?" I don't know. So, do you want to stay black or white? White. Yeah, white looks nice. So now we need some pants.
No, he really took it off again.
We have to be careful with
Because we only have 10 minutes left. Guys, we only have 10 minutes left.
I know, man. Shut up.
I can't believe it.
Anyway, no, just get a dress. It'll be easier, won't it? Quick, hurry up and trick your butt. Pick a nice dress.
No, let me have a look.
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe like
That looks nice.
that looks nicer. See?
Yeah, but then we have to afford a top. That's why I want a whole dress.
No, I'm not picking. Fine.
I would say that, but that's 800.
Look, a rainbow top.
Yeah, but it's VIP.
You were VIP, but you're not.
It ran out.
Yeah, because she's stupid. I was gonna go
My
for
phone went buzzing.
Hey, you can't be going on that and that.
Mum just asked us how Jack was. Right, now we need some pants. So we'll go to leggings.
Pants, leggings, pants.
Should we do
Pants.
leggings?
Flip-flop.
There used to be a category of leggings, but I took it off now.
Oh, because they're too stupid. And no forget. No, that's ladybug. A ladybug. Ladybug. Imagine you got a full ladybug.
No, I'm just gonna
out.
stick with those leggings because I think those leggings are better.
Oh my. Look, take a say what he done.
Now we need nice footwear.
That look at it.
The bloody octopus feet.
Oh look, miraculous. Miraculous stuff. Rainbow.
My mama just messaged me.
What answer it is?
Right, yes, we're on our hair.
Yeah, she skipped some of the episode.
Just because I had to reply to my mama.
Yeah, don't ask what her
Actually,
name is.
I'm not even going to buy an outfit. I'm going to gift an outfit from my account.
I want to see.
So we'll log into
I
my
want to see how many comments you have on videos.
About 2.
What do they say?
Great, cool, and all that stuff because I'm better than you.
Everybody,
She's not chewy yet.
everybody said I know better than Nicole. I totally better than her.
Comment who do you think's better, me or him?
Yes. Right now.
I reckon it's me.
I reckon it's me. I way stronger. I can throw you onto the floor.
Hello, Jack.
Guys, I can throw her onto the floor.
Yeah, you can throw me onto the floor, and I'm
I
like
better.
double his age. No, you're 7. That means I'm 40, but I'm not.
She's
I voted for that outfit. Doesn't it look pretty? Hey,
has freaking wings.
She might be able to come home if she can't get scanned today. That's what my mum said.
Did it?
Ah.
I'll go on your phone.
Wait until we finish this video. Yeah, so guys, it's 10 minutes in.
Yeah, and we only have 5 minutes of left. Ow!
We get slapped every time in the face you say something.
Hey, that's not fair. Guys, you think
I'm not.
Guys, do you
I'm going
think
like that.
Nicole will slap me if
Do you like my outfit? Isn't it sexy?
Oh,
What you doing? I'm not
Nothing.
VIP.
I know you know.
So what, you click on the VIP wheel for me?
Yeah, that's our present. That's our present. You don't want to kill like a present. Right there.
Oh, I hate it because every time you click on this, your friends are supposed to go away at the bottom. Mine don't work.
How about you put it to like there?
No, I should put it there. I should put it here. No, I should put it here, shouldn't I?
Why did you just show the names and then you just like
I don't know what happened. Oh, yeah. It won't let me go on like 3. Whoa! No. Give
Meg.
no.
It's Meg.
I'll hit you with it. I've got
Don't
14
make me
diamonds
hit
and
you.
700 stock coins. So look for lucky stars.
How about you buy the dress?
Why no? Because look at my sexy outfit.
Nicole.
I've got a sexy spring outfit.
Yeah, she just had a swear word. So click off this episode now.
Sexy isn't a swear word.
Yes,
You won't say sexy. You're sexy. No, you're not. You're ugly. You're ugly. Like Luke. Jack's the most handsomest boy in town.
Luke, shut up. We tried to do an episode here.
I feel like a monster.
Oi. I feel like a monster.
Lucky. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna do this off camera because I wanna save our time.
Hey.
Hi guys. Oh, that was unexpected. Pick one, Dan.
Oh, I don't have a look at that.
Pick one. Hurry up.
That one.
I like this one.
No.
Oh, what colour? White. Black.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Can't believe you picked that colour. Oh my god. What? Right, so we need to open these gifts. I've just sent
Can
all
I
the
open
gifts.
them? Can I open them? Can I open them? Can I open them? Go away.
Oh, that looked good. I know it doesn't look too bad, does it?
No, so look too shabby. Everybody send me more gifts. More gifts.
No, because by the time this video's finished, someone will have got this account. So I won't be able to log on tomorrow. If I won't be able to log on tomorrow, that's just lucky.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, leave her a chance.
Hey! Nah, he's not that strong.
No. I am not taking you out. Goodbye.
Right.
Fine.
Oh.
The dog into the yard.
Alright, no one needs to know, no one cares. Oh.